Only through international cooperation will we ease the economic and social consequences of the crisis. And it is only by strengthening bonds across society that we will recover better and build a healthier, more inclusive, sustainable, resilient, and equitable world.
Whatever happens in the next few months or years, I also believe that it's in our hands. Unity and solidarity are very important to defeat this virus.